This video is to show how to quickly fix the number update that happened for LAMP. If you go in, spell number, you notice that these numbers are fine.
1, 2, 3.
Totally normal. But then we notice in our classroom that if you ask students to come in here,
1,230, 12,301.
they add up in a really strange way.
123,012.
That is something that happened with a recent update that we need to take care of. So the purpose of this video is to show you how to manually do that quickly so that we can get back to counting. So as we know, if we go back there, these numbers are fine. So you need to go into this number section here. And we're going to be editing these numbers. Just the top. If you notice, 10, 11,
12.
these ones don't do that. So we're worried about just this top line from 0 to 9. So what I'm going to do is go to Menu, Edit Page, and then it turns red. So we're going to stay in here the whole time. Let's go to our first number. Edit this button. Okay. Here's all the information. The first thing we need to know is what's right here. If there's a little space after your number, that means it's not going to work right. So you want to delete out that space and then scroll down. You have to hide the keyboard to show you. There we go. If there's a backspace key here, that means it's not going to work for you. Just drag it to the left and delete it. Okay? Now we save. I don't know what that is about. Just continue saving. It's worked for me, so I think it's going to work. So then we do the next one. Let's just do them all together. 1, edit the button. Take out that space. Hide the keyboard so you can see. Go down. Delete out that function. I don't know what happened here, but we're going to fix it for our kids. Here we go. 2, edit the button. Take out the space. Hide the keyboard. Scroll down. Delete out the function. Save. I was thinking of making a nifty song, but I think that would be overkill. Edit the button. Take out the space. Hide the keyboard. Remove the function. Save. Okay, make sure you're removing that backspace function, not the speak function. We'll have to add that back in if you accidentally delete that. That's what makes it talk. Take out the space. Hide the keyboard. Go down. Take out the function. Save. Save. Okay, we're on 5. Edit the button. Take out the space. Hide the keyboard. Delete the function. Save. Save. 6. Edit the button. Take out the space. Hide the keyboard. Delete the function. Save. Save. 7. Edit the button. Delete the space. Hide the keyboard. Take out the function. Save. What did I say? 6, 7. Edit the button. Oh, already did that one. Trick. That was a trick. 8. And I knew that because the space was missing. 8. Take out the space. Hide the keyboard. Go down. Take out the function. Save. Save. I'm saying function. Sorry. I meant action for LAMP. It's called an action technically. Did I do 8? Gosh, this is embarrassing. Oh, yes, I did. Okay, never mind on that one. And I already did 9. Let's just double check. Oh, did that part? I did that part to test this before I started the video. Okay, so now we hit done. We are no longer in save mode. Red bar goes away.
0, 1, 2,
It's working again.
6, 7,
8.
9, 10.
Yes. Now we can get our kids to start counting in class again. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, consult with your PRC rep. Okay.